Hello, how you all doing? Welcome back to Yvonnelove family. What up, guys? So today we're going to be having little vlog. Oh, we're gonna be having some great time here bowling. So we hope you're gonna enjoy this video with us. So guys, come with us. So guys, meet my beautiful princesses. Yvonne, say hi. Meet a family friend. Say hello. Yeah, so guys, we're going to bowling, right? Bowling. So we're gonna have some great time out here. So come.
Smile while I know she's free. The way you did love, he go sweet by Bella away. On the love of family, now got some parade. Everywhere you go, now celebration day.
So I'm gonna knock this down. Is it fire?
This one is very light. Is that alright?
Yeah, Yvonne, are you ready? Go.
Yes, no.
Our ours is 5, right?
5 on yes, and 5. Please, come this way, you have to sleep. Come this way, you have to sleep. So, don't step on the line, you ball before, right?
Leave my way.
All right. Now it's my turn. You want to come? Let's
Now it's your turn. Let's see what you can do. What women can do, man can do better, right?
What men can do? Let's try.
Okay. One more time. Let's match it. For 10th prime now, let's see what we're gonna do.
No.
0.
Yeah.
Let me try then.
All right.
I've been stacking, I've been grinding, doing numbers 8 months. I've been stacking, I've been grinding, doing numbers 8 months. I got motion, I got racks, I got everything they want. I've been stacking, I've been grinding, doing numbers 8 months. Shawty love the way I move, she said my lifestyle.
Yvonne did hers, Yvonne got it.
I've been winning from
Great job.
I got motion, I got racks, I got everything they want. I've been stacking, I've been grinding, doing numbers 8 months. Shawty love the way I move, she said my lifestyle look the stunt. I can't slow down, I can't stop. I've been winning from the jump. Whips off foreign, they keep come with a passport. Diamonds hitting wild, you gotta wham like a crash car. He say he the biggest boy, you capping what you brag for. Everything you claim you got, I got the times for. My bag heavy, got my pockets yelling, can you slow down? Shawty see the lifestyle, now she begging for a hold down. All this water on me, think I'm sponsored by a coast now. Damon been a wave, if you swimming, you gon' float now. I'm the biggest, I'm the one that got them watching how I flex. Hey fit, I throw together, cost a check, I do the best. I'm the biggest, tell these rappers they ain't stepping like me yet. If he talking, he just typing, I get active, I'm a threat. I got motion, I got racks, I got everything they want. I been stacking, I been grinding, doing numbers 8 months. Shawty love the way I move, she said my lifestyle look the stunt. I can't slow down, I can't stop, I been winning from the jump. I got motion, I got racks, I got everything they want. I been stacking, I been grinding, doing numbers 8 months. Shawty love the way I move, she said my lifestyle look the stunt. I can't slow down, I can't stop, I been winning from the jump. I been popping out it you can't pronounce, that's the big flex. 100 on my neck, another 100 on my index. Them bags coming in, I need a mansion just to sit checks. Boy talk rich, but they pockets show a mismatch. I got motion, I got deals, I got plays that never fail. I been going up so fast, they say my hustle off the scale. I'm a boss man with a plan, and I ain't stopping till I touch a meal. I ain't stopping till I touch a meal. I got motion, I got racks, I got everything they want. I been stacking, I been grinding, doing numbers 8 months. Shawty love the way I move, she said my lifestyle look the stunt. I can't slow down, I can't stop. I been winning from the jump. Got like a little vibe, so don't.
Let's you had fun. High five to daddy then. High five. Come on, high five, girl. Come on. Do you have fun or not? High five.
Yay!
Hey man, high five to daddy. Do you have fun? Do you have fun? Come on. That's showing you had fun, guys. Good job. Good job. Thanks guys for watching. I think this is the end of the video. Peace out. Say bye. Say bye to the fans.
She said you didn't tell her to have five.
I'm so sorry, Didi. Come on. High five, Didi. Oh, good job, Yvonne. Alright, Yvonne. Just tell Yvonne. Yvonne, say bye to everyone. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Bye. Bye.